Hello, I am Alexandra from Realizing Mommyhood. This video will teach you how to do a new, more advanced finish for the XOXO buckle wrap. If you see, this is actually a different one than my other videos so far. This is a Techni wrap that was made into an XOXO. Its name is Omada Grow. If you don't know how to do a back carry, basic, to get to this place, you need to watch my other basic XOXO back carry video. For this carry, you don't need both ties on your shoulders. You will take off the last one that you put on, which will be the left, and you will need to hold the baby so they don't fall off. So you're going to do this normal. And we look here, it's loose, so this is the bottom. That's better. Now, just to hold this for right now, I'm going to tuck it in. And this one, we're going to do something different. You're going to twist it till you get up here. And now I twist it a few more times. This needs to stay out, not under it. Okay, the big thing you need to practice is the chest belt. To be able to do it tight and not have big gaps takes practice. But it's possible. Now we're going to take this out. And these are going to twist. You can do it two different ways. Or now this is going to go tuck up here. And if you want, it doesn't need to be a chest belt. It can go down. Either works. Then I tuck it up. Just like that. This I like to flip up. And if you wanted a chest belt, okay, if the baby falls asleep and you have a person there, they can take the wrap that crosses at their neck and pull it up so it's not moving. Like that. So, a few more helpful tips. The chest pass, you need to make sure your twists are not too high. Push them. They should end about the baby's leg so that it can open up. Also, pull it up and under this and it will help it stay. This, you need to twist it top to bottom, not this way, this way. So when you're tucking it here, it's not untwisting. So hopefully that can help you a little bit better. This is the XOXO buckle wrap with a twist and tuck. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. I have a Facebook page. I have an Instagram, and yeah, join me. Let's talk about this journey of parenthood. Bye-bye.